you struggling to crack the code of the Instagram algorithm? Wondering how to gain more followers and views on your posts? Well, you are in luck because in today's video, we're unraveling the Instagram algorithm for 2023. We'll show you the latest insights, strategies, and tips to skyrocket your Instagram game. Whether you are a seasoned influencer or just getting started, these secrets will change the way you use Instagram forever. Stay tuned to discover how to beat the algorithm, get more followers, and increase your views. Let's make your Instagram dreams come true. Let's dive right in. Instagram algorithm 2023: How to get followers and views. Number 1. Decoding the Instagram algorithm. First things first, let's decode the Instagram algorithm. Understanding how it works is crucial to your success on this platform. The Instagram algorithm takes various factors into account when deciding what content to show to users. These include engagement, relevance, and timeliness. Engagement is key. Likes, comments, shares, and saves are all signals that tell Instagram your content is valuable. Relevance matters too. Instagram wants to show users content they're interested in, so it considers their past interactions and interests. And don't forget timeliness. Recent posts often get priority in users' feeds. Number 2. Strategies to boost your Instagram game. Now that we've cracked the code, it's time to implement strategies that will boost your Instagram game. First, focus on creating high-quality content. This is the foundation of Instagram success. Craft engaging captions that encourage users to interact with your posts. Ask questions, tell stories, and spark conversations. Use relevant hashtags strategically to increase discoverability. Leverage Instagram stories to keep your audience engaged and informed. Number 3. Building a community and going live. Building a community is essential. Reply to comments, engage with your followers, and create a sense of belonging. Consider going live. Live streams are prioritized by the algorithm and are a fantastic way to connect with your audience in real time. Collaborate with others in your niche. Cross-promotion can expose your content to new audiences. Number 4. The power of analytics. Don't underestimate the power of analytics. Use Instagram Insights to track your performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. Consistency is key. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged and the algorithm happy. Number 5. Staying updated and adapting. Instagram is always evolving. Stay updated with the latest features and trends, and be ready to adapt. Embrace new formats like Instagram Reels and IGTV. These can give your profile a significant boost. Number 6. The importance of user feedback. Lastly, don't forget the importance of user feedback. Listen to your audience, respond to their needs, and adjust your content accordingly. Lastly, don't forget the importance of user feedback. Listen to your audience, respond to their needs, and adjust your content accordingly. By implementing user feedback, you can witness incredible growth and engagement on your Instagram profile. By implementing user feedback, you can witness incredible growth and engagement on your Instagram profile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We've got plenty more tips and tricks coming your way. Connect us via social media. Contact us via. Thank you for tuning in to Dazonn Technologies. Stay connected with us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep dominating Instagram, and until next time, happy scrolling.